Today's video is, holy shit.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today's video is very unplanned. It was some of the comments from my last video that gave me the idea of what we're going to talk about today. When I talked about what I do for a living or what my real job is, I saw a lot of comments stating that I seemed like an intelligent person. And while I like to believe that that is in fact true, today's video is going to be all about seeming smart or looking intelligent, whether you are or not. And I know that sounds strange and it might even seem insulting to somebody who is smart but doesn't come across as such, but it has a lot to do with the society that we live in today, the standards we have, and the importance that's placed on beauty. I'm not saying anyone's stupid. I'm just saying that sometimes the intelligence in a person is lost by how they act or deliver information. So that's where we will start, is with speech and how we talk. I'm starting off with grammar because that is a big one. I have been called grammar Nazi quite a bit. I don't think that's a compliment, but I'll take it. Having improper grammar tends to make the person sound uneducated, and that's not always the case. A couple of the most important grammar mistakes are as follows. My number one that I hear all the time, even from teachers, from newscasters, from regular scripts on sitcoms, is ending a sentence in a preposition. And an example of that is, "Can you tell me where the bathrooms are at?" I don't know where I was at. Let's change those sentences to, I don't know where the bathrooms are, period. I don't know where I was, period. Never end a sentence with a preposition, just simple as that, and at is the biggest culprit. Next one, anyways. Anyways is not a word. I hear it all the time, again, in the same situations that I hear ending sentence with a preposition. I hear anyways. If you look it up in the dictionary, you won't find anyways. Now, you wouldn't say any which ways, would you? You'd say any which way. So all we need to do there is take the S off of anyways and just say anyway. And I think I'll make this the final grammar lesson, and that is putting things in past tense. And what I mean by that is saying things like, I should have went there. We should be saying, I should have gone there. If you want to use went properly, it is, I went there. I should have gone there. I will go there. Another one is, you should have saw this. You should have seen this. All right, I lied. That's not the last grammar thing we're going to talk about. Him and me, her and me. There are occasions where this may be correct, but I hear a lot, him and me went to the store. Would you say him went to the store? Would you say me went to the store? No, you'd say he went to the store and I went to the store. Therefore, he and I went to the store. That's all you have to do, is take one person out of that equation and see if you're saying it properly. Her and I got a sandwich? No. She and I got a sandwich because she got a sandwich and I got a sandwich. Actually, there's a song, Him and I. Is that the name of the song? Yeah, Him and I. Him and I is a song, and there is nothing correct about that. It's either him and me or he and I, unless his name is him, which I don't think it is. Okay, let's move on from the grammar thing. Let's get into actions. I don't know if I should call the next thing paying attention or just plain old making eye contact. When someone is speaking to you, you need to look them in the eye. And even if you aren't interested, pretend you are. If you're at a job interview and you're kind of like this while they're talking, or you're talking to them and saying, well, I really feel like I'm the right person for the job, you're not going to get that job. People want to see your interest in what they're saying or even what you're saying. And if you're trying to convince somebody of something, the best way to do that is to make eye contact. Okay, here's a physical aspect of seeming smart, is confidence. And with confidence, you need to not only look someone in the eye, but stand up straight. Stand up as if you're proud of something. don't peacock, just be erect and just be stiff. Wait, just stand up straight, shoulders back, head up, and project out. A lot of seeming smart has to do with speech and what you say and how you say it. Speaking clearly is a very easy one. Enunciate, articulate, ovulate. Just kidding. In other words, just speak clearly and finish each word. Nobody wants to hear you slur or just string your words into each other into one big long word. Drunk people slur. Yeah, so look sober. All right, lastly on the speech thing, saying the word like constantly. I see it all the time on YouTube, especially in younger people, because that's just something that has evolved. Saying like pretty much after every fourth or fifth word is very common, but it doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound smart. It sounds like you're unsure, because when you say like, that's not real definite. It's maybe. Here's an example of like. So I went to the store and I was so hungry. So I looked at all the candy and all the fruit and I was like, I really love candy. I'm addicted. Again, please don't take any of what I am saying as an insult. If it's something that you do, we learn from others. So what we do and say is just a mixed bag of influence from the outside. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video on how to seem smart. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I know that I did. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.